In this video, I will show you how to fix disabled account cannot be contacted on Instagram. So it's gonna look just like this. It's a very quick and easy fix. So I'm going to show you here. Let's say we have this contact. Let's say I can't contact it. Just click on the contact and then make sure to let your contact know that they have to reactivate their account. Now if they have already reactivated their account, then just click on their account, click options, and then click restrict, and then click here. And now we are going to unrestrict it. Just click on your icon, and then click on the settings, and then scroll down. You'll see the restricted. Just click on it, then click next, and then you can search it up. So it's right over here. Just I'm gonna unrestrict it, and then once you're done, it should have fixed your issue. If you see that you're still unable to contact them, then just instead you can just click on the options and then try to just block them and then unblock them. So here I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to unblock them, and this should fix your issue. Now if it hasn't fixed your issue, try to update your Instagram app, or try to just delete this conversation and start a new conversation. And once you have done that, this should fix your issue. That's pretty much it for the video, and thanks for watching.